So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Rafdom over here, and this is going to be the first episode of, again, the day that on a video of 1 hour and 28 minutes actually. And that video took about 3 to 4 hours on making that video, and I did it on 2 to 3 days ago after taking that video as well. So this is going to be the first episode showing a full gameplay that we played from that series. There's going to be a bit of cuts, but it's going to be full gameplay from the game. So the first game is we're going to play is Paranormal Activity or Paranormal in Roblox. So roll the clip on the full gameplay. And you might see the same shirt that I'm going to wear over and over again from each game that we played, because I'm going to take this 1 day video on each video that I made. So don't be too shocked about it. So anyways, roll clip. That's why. Where's Salvador?
Where's Salvador?
Where's Salvador?
Not in the game yet.
Um.
Sal, where are you?
Oh, no! Oh, God!
Nakita ko yun, namatay bigla. Ganito kasi ginawa ni Salvador, ganito ginawa ni Vives eh. Nagbiglang tumalon dito eh, for some reason.
Wow!
Okay, one funny moment.
Yeah, the
Whee!
best funny moment is that Salvador is not in the game. I feel like course of a week, her condition worsened, giving rise to disturbing paranormal occurrence. The footage
I love horror.
recorded by
Bro,
her younger brother,
Horror.
Nathan Whitmore, captures the final moments.
Nathan?
Oh shit!
Well, no!
Si Pio! Si Pio! Si Pio!
I'm a bit delayed, so never mind.
Oh,
What the heck?
well.
Alam mo guys, mukha akong tapang pero hindi ko kaya masyado sa mga horror games, mostly in Roblox.
I'm a bit delayed. Hold on, the video's kinda delayed for me.
So, me and Pio already got scared. And especially...
Ooh, paranormal.
Yes, good, baby. Good.
Good.
Scared already.
I'm
We
fine.
just started.
Wait, am I fine?
Oh!
Well,
Oh, Oh, God. yeah?
Okay. Never show again. Okay, wait. Wait now, hold on. Welcome to Paranormal. Look for glowing objects to find key items. Press E to interact with the highlighted items.
Okay.
Press Q to drop equip items. Left mouse button to use equip items. That's all. Thank you. That's what we got here. Oh, we got tokens. Okay. Let's see what I don't know what we're gonna do.
game.
What we do here? We have like random figures.
Woo!
Who's this
Guys,
pumpkin? Who are you? Who's this pumpkin? Who's this one crawling?
That's me.
I don't.
Sino yung blue? Sino yung blue squid? Sino yung
Ano
tanga
yung yellow guy?
How do you crawl?
Bro, I'm the pumpkin. And who's the blue guy that I'm following?
Oh,
I think
yeah.
that's me.
Who is the blue guy?
Oh wait, guys, hold on. The username is at the bottom right. Bottom right.
There you go. Who's the blue guy?
Me, that's me.
Oh, so Vives is the
Come
doggy.
on, come on.
So Vives is the doggy. Salvador is the banana. Ay, no, Vives is the banana. Who is the doggy? Who's the doggy? Oh, that's
I'm the
Vives.
dog.
Okay, so this is Pionera, the blue one. Okay, let's get some keys.
Who's the banana?
That's Vives. I'm the pumpkin that you said. You said I'm the pumpkin, so I'm the pumpkin. Press
Okay.
C. Press C to crouch, alright? Remember that.
Z.
See or control?
C. Or you can press control as well.
It's up to you.
That's what I do. I press control.
Ooh, soda.
Someone, you're
This?
gonna protect me, alright?
What?
TV.
The
What?
soda.
You're
What's
gonna
his
protect me, right?
favorite playing the anthem?
I don't know, man.
Hey,
What
got
is count?
TV, but
What is
it appeared
count? So
in the
funky.
inventory.
Press E. No, napatay ko yung TV.
Don't turn off the TV. I'm trying to watch something.
Hey, what is that? Oh,
That's
Who
a
keeps turning on the night vision?
paranormal activities yan, boys. Paranormal activities. Tandaan nyo yun kapag naka-flicker ang ilaw.
Okay.
Find and pick up your flashlights in the kitchen. Oh shit! So we have night
Oh, do you
vision.
have night vision?
Yep.
Wait.
Good luck.
Night vision?
Good luck. Baka nandito yung mga
Uh,
paranormal.
That's not necessary, right? Do we have to do this?
I mean, we have to do
Of course,
it for the
Theo, we have to do
content.
this for the people. Record player. Record player. We also got a candle. Find and
Don't
pick up
protect me.
your flashlight in the kitchen. Where's the flashlight in the kitchen?
Blow
That's the
out.
question.
Oh, so. Diba? Blow
What's
out
this?
all the candles in the living room.
Blow the candles, guys.
All right.
How do you blow the candle?
How do
I
you?
did it.
More.
Oh, that's already.
Yun.
Oh,
Okay. You have to open.
How
Perfect.
about yun naman? Ano yun?
Ay, who's that?
Sino yun? Ano yung sinasabi mo, Pio? Si Vives lang yan.
Who's that?
What?
Oh my
Open it.
god!
What?
Not the long hallway, man! Not the long
No, 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 no.
hallway.
Wait, why is this door moving? Bro, this door's moving.
Us?
I'm gonna
This door's
quit.
moving. Let's go inside.
I'm gonna quit. No, it's against... Shit! Man! Patay yung ilaw!
You can hide under... You...
Yo, what?
Wait.
Yo, what?
Oh!
Toto! Hide! Quick!
Yo, what? Why would you say already you can hide under the tables? So don't tell me that
What's going
this is
on?
a-
Wait.
Wait for the-
Wait. What happened? What did you guys see? I didn't see
I
anything.
feel like this is going to be the paranormal activity time. Ng paano maghahanap, mag-roam around siya.
Huddle.
Every time na may paranormal activity, nag-activate night vision automatically. Why?
Yes.
Ano, para saan ba to?
Para makakita tayo sa ilalim, ay sa dark. Ano ba sa tingin mo?
Okay,
That's why it's called
sure.
night vision. So, I feel like it means that the paranormal activity or the person of the person.
Guys, we haven't gotten our flashlights
I'm
yet.
just gonna
Just
stay under
realized.
this table.
Oh wait, so sabi ng objective dito, find a way into a garage to restore power.
We have to find our way to the garage.
I don't even know where the garage is.
You know,
Wait, isn't there a paranormal activity going on right now, guys? We should chill.
Us, can I just stay under this table?
Under the drawer. Anything in here?
Or be lazy if you want. Be lazy if you want.
oof, this is going to be hard.
Okay.
What was that?
Guys, why is it so dark? Someone turn on the lights.
Bro, we
The
cannot
night
turn,
vision is not.
we cannot turn
The
on
night vision
the
is not.
Bro, the objective says find the way into garage to restore power. So we have
I-
to get
My
Do
objective
it.
is
I don't want to
lang,
do it.
eh.
you have to go to the garage to restore the power.
I have to join.
Si B,
What's
si P-
locked?
si Pio. Si Pio. Si Pio.
Yo, come on. We're not gonna accomplish anything. We're just gonna be a scaredy cat.
Yeah.
Yo, do something useful for us, please. I'm
It's
begging
way
of
too
you.
early to be messing.
No one's messing, bro. We're just trying to do our job. So can you please do yours?
Pre,
Thank
pa-feeling ko may paranormal na ako nakikita pero hindi ko maalala ko yun.
Sal, is that you? Are you trying to be tough right now?
Why?
Is that
So,
you?
yeah.
Wait, is
Wait.
this you?
The light is not working.
Why would the text says on the door says come to garage, I can help you. Pointing the arrow says that.
Oh my
I'm not going in
gosh!
there.
Come to
Bye.
garage.
Vives, Vives, Salvador, look at this door. You
I
that-
know.
you
I can
that
see.
arrow?
Look above.
Come to
There's a bunch
garage.
of. You know what? Let's be tough. Let's run in the halls.
I'm just gonna stay under the tables.
No, you come with us right now, or else.
si Pio.
That's why you run.
I left a padlock key for you here. Huh?
Guys, please help us.
Si Pio natatawa.
Ooh, kids room.
I left a
I left a
padlock
padlock key for you here. Where?
Hold on, boys. Hold on. Parang may nararamdaman ako na parang.
Ah,
Oh,
sa-
it's a fan.
sa
Why? Just turning off the fan. Wait, there's a note. There's a note. Wait, let me read. It says here.
Found. Nice.
Wait, guys. Let me read the note. It says here, 2 distinct orders of demonic entities are recorded. Though often spoken of as one, they are not equal in role, authority. The first are known as the sovereigns. They are the highest rank observed, entities of command and origin. The sovereigns do not act directly upon our world. They issue will, not motion. All demonic action recorded may be traced, in some form, back to sovereign authority. Beneath them are the vassals. These entities enact sovereign command within lesser spaces. Those subordinate vassals must not be mistaken for weakness. Their limitation is one of authority, not strength. Both orders are believed to reside far below the surface of our world, nearer the Earth's core, yet not within our physical space. They occupy a separate layer of existence, adjacent, aligned, but unreachable by ordinary means. Their distance is vertical, not measurable by human instruments.
Note,
Okay, so Salvador, balik ka sa
Wait,
amin.
what's this? Padlock key rusted.
The key is trusted. Find a way to unlock the bathroom and look for something to do.
look at this.
Salvador, come back to us.
Salvador, stop messing with around.
Salvador, come back to us. Pick up mo si Pionida. Kasama ko si Pionida yan.
Guys, let's go. I have padlock key. Rusty
Okay.
one.
So, where is the bathroom key? Bro, Pionida is still there.
Pio, we're not gonna accomplish anything. We're just gonna be...
Oh, so this is the kids room.
Guys, the door opened by itself. Hold on. This is normal ba? Wait lang.
No. It's just a motion.
Padlock.
So
Oh,
each room has lights except the hallway one. What do you guys see here?
You guys go.
Guys, hold on. Kasi I think we need a flashlight. We haven't gotten our flashlight from the kitchen yet. Hold on.
Here. Post Hunter Season 3?
Ano, di pa na.
What?
We need to get a flashlight, guys. Find our flashlight somewhere in the kitchen.
Oh wait, hold on. Taasin ko lang
What
muna
the
yung volume.
hell?
Taasin ko lang muna yung volume ko, di ko mahinig dito eh.
Or
Wait. Infinite flashlight?
No!
Guys, we need flashlights. We should
Oh.
have gotten the flashlight.
Oh, wait.
Garage?
P tuloy. Salvador, you found the garage key, so we need to find the garage. And the garage is over there, I feel like.
Guys, what about the flashlight? I don't know ba? We're just gonna travel in the dark?
hold on, wait.
Ayun na.
No!
Shit, maninig ako!
Promise me.
Yun!
Oh god. No,
I got a
no,
garage key. I got a garage key.
guys. We need the flashlight, please. Let's just look for a flashlight. I cannot
Guys, I got a
see.
garage key.
Okay. Can we just
Okay.
focus on the flashlight
The
for
key is
now?
rusted, so kailangan natin maghanap ng... Wait.
Guys,
ano
look for
lang.
flashlight, please. Oh! What's that? Shit! What's that? It's a black man. It's a
Solve
black.
what? Solve what?
Is that a black man or a black
Shit,
woman?
tago. That's the paranormal.
Guys,
That's a
wait,
paranormal.
Yo. There is someone there. There's a black
Someone
figure.
there.
That's a paranormal.
Maybe there's
That's the
What
paranormal.
is
There's someone there. There's someone there.
That's the paranormal. That's the paranormal, man.
I'm not going out there.
Go there.
Si Pio.
Go there.
Oh,
What are we supposed to do?
Wala tayong flashlights. Wala tayong weapon.
Guys, what are we supposed
I have
to
a
do?
garage gun.
We need to go to garage to open the garage key. And we need to open the garage using the
It's
garage
still
key.
there. It is still there, but
Really?
it moved. It's still there, but it moved.
So you see him.
why
Wait lang.
is this cave so scary?
That's why it's scary game.
It is still there. I see it. Ayun no? You see it?
Hold on, let me see.
Pre, wag mong lapitan yan.
Di ako yan, boy. Di
Yun,
ako
no?
yan. Remember, I'm
Hindi,
the...
yun no? Nakita mo ba?
Oh,
you know?
My
oh yeah, I
gosh.
saw it. I'm the pumpkin
That's
one.
the...
I'm the pumpkin guy. Remember that. I'm the pumpkin guy. That's Salvador.
We
Okay,
need, guys. We need to find
I'll turn on
something.
my air conditioner. Hold on.
Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Focusing on... Why? Air conditioning.
Akala ko,
More, you're gonna shiver more.
bro, akala ko, alam mo yan, hindi pa yung nakabihis. BBR pa yung suot niya.
Oh, hindi pa siya kapihit. Hindi ka na suot niya.
Oh my goodness, Pio. Change your clothes. You're still using that same clothes you used in school.
Where'd you guys go? Oh, there you are.
Nakikita niyo ba yun ba yung lalaki? Parang kasi gusto ko makita.
I saw like a shadow figure.
That's
That's the
boy.
figure. That's
Nakikita
the
niyo,
figure.
ano ginagawa niyo dyan sa gilid?
We're looking for like flashlights or something.
Bro,
Something we can use.
wala
for,
dito,
you
wala
know.
dito yung flashlights, wala dito. Doon tayo sa isang side tapot kung saan yung black man. That's kind of sus.
Ah,
Racist.
we should wait. Black figure na lang. Call it a black figure. All right.
Yeah, black. Nandun pa yung siya.
Oh,
Ang lapit
Huh?
niya. Parang ang lapit niya, boy. Ang lapit niya.
Lapit ka dyan!
You know, mukhang siya malapit.
No.
Hindi, joke
He's
lang.
still there.
Mukha lang siya malapit. Pio, go!
You're just a nice person.
Pio, you're the only one who doesn't leave in the table. Go!
Nang go!
Go! Pio, go! You're the leader. You're the leader. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go, Pio! Go, Pio! Go! Go, Pio! Go, Pio!
We're gonna jump the block.
Sinasabi mo ikaw yung top 1, di ba? Ikaw yung top 1. So, ikaw nga dapat mauna.
Oh!
Go, Pio! Go, Pio! Go! Go,
Pio,
Pio! Go,
go.
Pio! Go! Go, Pio! Go, Pio!
Oh,
Yay!
Lahat tayo dito. Salvador, you should go. Joke lang, si Pio dapat talaga. Si Pio talaga dapat.
Lapit ko na, oh.
what did that attacks us? Like, wait, where's the flashlight?
You like legit not doing anything?
Wait, hold on.
Like
You guys move.
He might be nice, though.
Hey, wanna have some tea, mate? Sorry.
I feel like he's just watching us though.
Yeah, don't say.
Yeah.
Okay, Salvador, let's just continue exploring this hallway.
Bro, come. Salvador, please, pick us up. I don't remember where you guys go.
Come here, guys, come. Especially you, Pio. Pio, Pio. Hey,
Pio, come on. Pio, come
yes,
on, man.
boy.
If we die if we die together, then we die together. That's all.
Okay, so let's continue further down the hallway. We already explored this other room.
Use the flashlights for see.
Come on here.
This is the sister's room. We cannot access that right now.
Oh, damn.
And there's a fridge.
Can we crouch over
Bro.
here? There's an old box.
Yeah,
Oh,
nakuha ko
yeah.
na siya.
Can't
We're
go.
stuck? Are we legit stuck?
So
Okay,
we
the
have to
sisters.
go. So we have to go back.
Cleaner.
What's... Hold on.
Rare battery, bro.
Oh. So bright here then.
So this
I don't know what
is
to do with that pipe natin, man.
No. Do.
There's like water leaking here.
Do you know the code of this one?
oh, yeah.
What's in here?
We don't know the code.
Let's just go back to where we came from. Maybe we can find some.
All right. You guys come in. Salvador, wait, hold on. We don't have the other two. Okay, go.
Hold on, we haven't checked this one yet. Did you check this one yet? The closet?
No, we can hide over here though.
The crib. Check that. Oh, violin.
It's the scariest I've ever played.
Huh? Can we do anything with that? There's a lava lamp, but I don't know what to do with the lava lamp.
It's important to open every single door. Remember that.
Okay,
Peekaboo.
we'll turn up the lamp.
Peekaboo.
Ah,
Let's go, let's go. Enough.
not
Enough
funny.
of-
This is
enough.
Uh-oh.
Flickering lights again.
Good. Chill.
That's paranormal activity. Come on. It's just a paranormal
Okay,
activity.
let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's just go. Let's stop procrastinating. Let's lock in.
Okay, good.
Okay. Let's lock in, guys.
Use your flashlights, but remember that.
Nawala yung flashlight ko. Wait, battery.
Should buy battery, remember that, right?
there's just a random person standing there.
Where's there's a lamp?
Yun. Kailangan lang ng replace ng battery.
Oh, I got padlock key rusted again. What's this?
This guy's harmless, bro.
Really?
Boy, yung mukha ni Pio nila nakakatawa. Sabi niya gano'n. Nakataas yung ulo niya.
Boom!
Hindi ko what.
Blood.
Infinite flashlight. No, I'm not gonna spend. Someone figure out how to open these doors.
Okay, this is like the best place to go right now.
Well, that's where we go. Diyan tayo nakapasok, boy.
How can you get rid of these barricades? Does anyone have a hammer?
No.
Oh, my
Crowbar.
flashlight battery's dying.
Maybe we're supposed to ano talaga, we're supposed to spend something in the shop.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
Let's just save up.
Maybe we need a wrench.
How can we buy the wrench? We have, it's 85 tokens.
Never mind, we're broke. I'm just go. A legendary battery, I think worth it though.
Oh shit, naubusan natin ako ng battery.
Get acted.
Oh, nice, I have a battery. I got a legendary battery.
My flashlight battery's like almost gone.
Yeah.
Buy a
Damn.
battery. Oh, did my battery... Ay, Diyos ko po.
My
Paper
battery died.
door.
Let me see if I can
This is an
buy.
apartment then.
I think I should buy another battery.
So far, so nothing. We don't know
I'm
what
just
to
gonna
do.
go here.
So
Ah.
loud.
Okay guys, pang-call out natin muna to. Matapusin na lang natin muna tong paranormal muna. Mag-ibang games na tayo kasi since wala tayong masyadong alam ulit dito. So guys, kapag gusto nyo malaman yung whole gameplay ng paranormal namin, we're gonna make a separate video of playing the whole paranormal game itself. Only paranormal game since we don't know what we to do over here.
Wait,
Oh,
guys!
wait,
I found a pipe weapon key.
Wait.
Oh wait, really? Okay, use the pipe.
Okay, guys, I know what to do with this. Okay, guys, we have progressed. We are progressing. Oh my gosh, let's go. I know what to do with this key.
Pause.
Si Salvador.
Pause.
I got the pipe.
Oh,
Nice!
oh hell
It's a
no.
weapon, guys. Look, I can hit back. Yo,
Why
I
my
know
battery's
what to do
almost
with this, guys.
gone?
Guys, I know what to do with this pipe. I mean wrench, whatever you call this. I know what to do with it. Come follow me.
The black person.
No, I mean,
Don't tell me you're gonna hit the black person.
I
Oh
mean,
my
it
days,
works, but it doesn't do
Abby.
anything.
You're so
Oh,
oh,
guys,
yes,
I'm
yes.
breaking down the door.
Oh,
We have progressed.
just
We are progressing. We are
persist.
progressing.
Open.
You cannot open though.
Okay. Wait, I think we have a separate purpose for this. Wait.
Can we use this for the refrigerator?
Oh, wait.
Which one? Ano ginagawa mo, Salvador?
Come on,
Let's find
let's
the
go, let's go, let's go.
Wait lang, ang layo nyo na naman.
We are progressing. I have broke into the matrix.
Bob.
Ayaw.
Malamang,
Oh, man.
freezer yan eh. Hindi naman yung sisiyagan.
Sayang.
Wait,
And my
what about this? What
flashlight's
about this?
dead.
Or.
Stay
Here,
together.
here.
No. Oh yeah guys, wait, I have a news. I found another black person again from the room.
Where? I want to hit him.
From the other room as well, the same room.
Wait lang. Pasagin ng mga painting.
How many
Kasi
black people are there?
I found out that there are secrets in painting, so be sure to check the posters and the paintings on the walls too, guys.
We're gonna kill this boy, girl.
I can't hit this with a trash can. Nope. The
How was it?
car. Nope. This chair. Nope.
Can I knock over this vase? No.
This vase. Nope.
Wait for me.
Pio nila left behind again.
long as we
Did
stay
you break
together,
something in here?
we can
So
accomplish
I break this
anything.
horse. No. The cars. The crib, no. How about inside?
Don't forget to check the
The
painting.
battery's dead.
Alright
Bros,
guys.
turn off your lamp. I mean your flashlight once in a while.
Let's follow Weavers.
Don't
Weavers
just
are
leave it on.
Where are you, Weavers?
Always check the paintings. Because these
Okay.
paintings are hiding something very suspicious, something out of this world.
Record player. Let's try this.
Already tried that, doesn't work, Theo. It's just broken as your mind sometimes. Yeah, legit. We're stuck again, but don't worry. I think we can figure something out.
So,
Again.
Ito mo papapatay.
Can I hit the gas tank? It will explode now.
but don't where'd you go? There you
I'll just throw away the key.
Wait, hold on. That painting looks very peculiar. The game isn't helping as much.
Anyways. Wait, hold on. Oh no, it's the same room.
We're like kind of lost.
Start hitting random things. Maybe it will activate something.
No, this is where we did.
Start bashing
Where we were
around
earlier.
furnitures. Come to garage, I can help you. Yeah, he's not helping us.
I think we should
It's
stop.
not helping.
Oh my god. Itigil natin muna ito. Gawin natin yung full video na lang yun. Lahat tayo maglalaro dito. Hindi natin alam kung ano ginagawa natin ngayon.
And we're just like going everywhere.
Yeah, we don't know. Anyways, guys.
What?
This is the first game. Let's move to the second game.